This is Code.org. I'm currently working on the Accelerated Intro to CS course, and I'm on the lesson, The Maze. Let's see. Keep calm and help me find the bad pig. Otherwise, I might get angry. Alright, so we've used one block, our when run block, out of 9, so we can use 8 more blocks, or they would like us to be technically correct. Here are the blocks we can use. Let's see what they have so far. Oh, right, nothing, right? So we need to add some blocks here. I'm going to do a move forward. No, I'm not. I'd hit that TNT. Let's turn right, I guess, and move forward. And it's always really good to test code a lot. You can always be wrong in code. I often hit run after every line I write, or I guess block I drag out. And remember, code's always going to run exactly in order. So if you ever get stuck, you just want to go through it line by line. Move right, move forward, turn left. And then I should move forward twice. Okay, left. And notice it highlights it as we run. Okay, I think I need to move forward one more time. And it looks like turn to the left and maybe move forward. Is that, oh, I think I'm over. Nope, perfect. 9 blocks out of 9. Let's see. Ta-da! Awesome. Let's keep going.